Hey guys, it's Russell back. On today's video, I've got quickie number 2 for you. One thing that really bothers me about the car is that the steering wheel, when you're going straight, is like this. The easiest and best way to get the steering wheel at least mostly centered where it's up and down is you need to remove the cover right here. This is the horn cover, and basically it just peels up around and it pops off. There are these rubber tabs that fit in here, and it's very simple. Once that's off, then you're going to take a 10mm hex and you're going to remove the bolt, center bolt right here, and then you're going to make a paint mark on the steering shaft and on the wheel itself, the collar, and you're going to move it the direction that that you think it needs to go. So with that being said, check this out. That's right, look at that, we driving. I do have to say that the the brakes are going to absolutely need attention really bad. It's actually shifting. I like these to shift nice and firm, and it's doing that, but I think I've moved the steering wheel way too far over. So see, those of you that watch these little quickies get this little bonus thrown in. All right, here we go. That car's coming. Pulled over on the side of the road and readjusted the wheel. I don't want to keep driving back home to do this, and it's really hard to do this with one hand. But anyway, I've got a huge breaker bar right here, and I just moved it over just a little bit, just enough so I can get that on. And let's go try it again. That seems to be a lot better. Watch this. Even the squirters work. Alright, let me put this camera down. I need 2 wheels to pilot this. Alright, so I have the cover back on and I have it 90% straight. When I go get the alignment, they'll set it straight and then correct the toe. One thing I did notice when I was looking at the brakes, because these brakes are horrible, was that the ball joint, the lower ball joint on each side, is toast. The boots are busted. So we're gonna have to do a video on that also. I had previously done a pictorial on the upper control arms and ball joints a long time ago when I first got the car because it was so bad. But yeah, so I'm pleased. There's I'm really happy that the wipers, squirters work. I've got to clean the windshield better. But anyway, so guys, I hope this quickie was informative and fun. 14.5 miles I've driven it. And got this corrected. Got the there's a lot of stuff to do, but I've got to do something with those brakes, and we've got to get some tires. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.